Imagine this. You wake up, go to work, grind 8 hours. Your boss pays you $1,000. You check your bank account. It says $850. Bro, where did the other $150 go? Congrats, you just met taxes. What is tax? Tax is money the government takes from people and businesses to run the country. Think of it like this. If a country is a group project, tax is everyone pitching in so the project doesn't flop. Roads, hospitals, schools, police, army, streetlights, even public parks. That all runs because of tax money. Without tax, country equals cooked. Types of taxes. 1. Income tax. POV, you work at a job and earn $1,000. Government takes a small percentage from your salary. That's income tax. The more you earn, usually the more percentage you pay. 2. Sales tax. POV, you buy a phone for $500. At checkout, it says $530. That extra $30? Sales tax. You pay this when you buy stuff. 3. Business tax. POV, you own a burger shop. You make profit. Government takes a portion of that profit. That's business tax. 4. Property tax. You own a house or land. You pay yearly tax on it. Simple. How tax actually works. Let's break it down real lifestyle. You earn money. Government takes a percentage. That money goes into a big national fund. Government uses it to pay for public services. Why is tax needed? Now, this is where people get cooked. If you know tax, no road repairs, no public hospitals, no police, no army, no government workers. Everything would either collapse or become extremely expensive private services. So even though paying tax feels painful, it keeps the system running. What if you don't pay tax? Now, this is where people get cooked. If you avoid or refuse to pay, fines, heavy penalties, frozen bank accounts, legal cases, jail time, yes, serious cases. Governments do not play about tax because that's their main income. You can skip gym, you can skip homework, but skipping tax? Risky move. Subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like these.